Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. This is Anya from GOLDZIM Construction Limited. Today we are in our warehouse in Qingdao Port. We'd like to introduce you a hot seller spill loader XCMG XC760K. This mini loader is especially suitable for working in narrow spaces. Follow me to show you details. The 0.6 cubic meter bucket can automatically maintain level while lifting, so the material won't spill easily, and the working efficiency is improved. And it also comes with a quick hitch, so you can change attachments very quickly on the work site. It supports many kinds of attachments, such as a fork, sweeper, twinder, hitch digger, and others. The cab is spacious, with adjustable seats and a comfortable operating environment. It is equipped with ROPS and FOPS structure, ensuring the driver's safety. It can also be titled backward at a large angle, making maintenance and repair much easier. The rear and top tube can be opened easily, so all key parts and pipelines are easy to access. This design saves a lot of time and labor for maintenance and repair. This spill loader is equipped with a YANGMA engine, which meets Higher 3 emission standards. It has a 61.3 kW rated power, with strong performance and higher fuel efficiency. A skid-steer loader is smaller in size than a wheel loader, so it can handle more working conditions in narrow spaces, which is widely used in road construction, port handling, landscaping, and farm work, with low operating costs and good economic benefits. Thanks for watching. If you are interested in this machine, please feel free to contact us. We have been exporting construction machinery for over 18 years, and we will provide you with a pleasant and satisfying shopping experience. Looking forward to work with you. Bye!